This is a coin trick without using coins. It is a card trick without using actually playing cards. So stick around anyway. It's a combination of both. They say that money isn't everything. Well, thank God, there is also Visa and MasterCard. We have four cards, four playing cards. From the back they look like they're playing cards. From the face we have quarters of a dollar printed on their faces. So I'm going to leave one here, I'm going to leave the other one here, and one in my hand. Watch if I place the two face to face and wave it over like this. The first quarter disappears, the second quarter disappears, and the third one once again like this, just wave on top, and now we have three blank face cards. And of course, you guess it right, the four quarters are here on the same card, on one card. Once again, watch the four quarters just blowing on the cards like this. Now we have $1 and three blank face cards.